Sometimes life just feels like a bag of shit. So in order to make your life not feel so shitty, I'm gonna tell you how you can play the game of life and actually win. Number one, what you actually have to do is study other entrepreneurs. Why do I pick entrepreneurs? Because I've interviewed over 300 entrepreneurs on my podcast, Growth Everywhere. I've learned about their lifestyles, what they do to win, what their habits are, just learning their habits, learning what it takes to succeed. These are people that have invented the pants that I'm wearing right here, the chair that you see right here, the lamp over here. Entrepreneurs have created everything around you. They are playing the ultimate game of life, and you don't necessarily have to start a business. You don't have to be an entrepreneur, but you can be entrepreneurial. I think that's the most important thing. If you look at Warren Buffett, he reads 5 hours a day plus. Every successful person has a habit of learning. They're always trying to get better. Number two is also figuring out, okay, well, how do I go about actually doing this stuff? Learning is one thing, but how do I go about actually executing on this stuff? Learn how you actually do stuff and then start doing it. Number three is failing. Failing a ton. Everybody fails a lot. Everybody's had their failures, right? Elon Musk has had his failures in the past. He had a video gaming company that didn't work out, right? Everybody has had their share of failures. As a matter of fact, his company SpaceX, which uses reusable rockets that land back on Earth, it failed. It almost failed to the point where it had to shut down, right? But the last rocket ended up working for him. Those are just a couple things that you need to do to actually succeed. Now, if you wanted to actually learn more about how these entrepreneurs win at the game of life, in the next video, I actually talk about how Elon Musk wins at the game of life by succeeding in entrepreneurship. So if you like videos like this, just hit subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.